Hi, welcome back to amipal. This is just going to be a quick episode because I've got an A1200 motherboard that I've received back from MegaKit. I sent it away a few weeks back and they've done a recap for me. So I'll go into a bit more detail as to what that means. But in the meantime, let's get a motherboard into a case because currently it's not. Okay, so here we are. This is the Rev 1B motherboard. Just a little sticker there saying that they've taken delivery of it, and then we've got a test sheet here, so everything looks okay, everything looks good. I can't see any actual issues with any of the work done here. It's, as I said, very clean, very neat. No issues on the actual motherboard underneath, on the traces. It's just all very nice. So I think we'll get this and put it in the case and power it up. I had a minor heart attack here when I opened the case up because there weren't any screws in the bottom of it, but I was actually cleverer than I realised. So thank you, past me. Bagged up all the screws. Okay, so it's all back in one piece again. Let's switch it on. Now the floppy drive light is coming on, which tells me that there's probably an issue with the floppy drive, either with how it's plugged in or powered. I'm not sure it's the right floppy drive for the machine. I found it in my box of bits, my bits box, so probably just replace it with something else. But yeah, we've got an image, it's working. It boots a bit slower than my normal desktop machine, but it doesn't have a Blizzard 1230 in it, so it doesn't have any fast RAM, it doesn't have a faster processor, but it's all in there. You can see actually DF what? So clearly there is something wrong with that floppy drive, but I'm not too worried, to be honest, because I'm not really planning on using it. So yeah, it works. Let's do a test. It's going to let's get us WHD load game loaded. Now, I don't have any fast RAM in this machine, it's only chip RAM, so we're going to have to go for something that will definitely run on a 512K machine. Sorry, A1200. Buggy boy. Now, I'm not really sat in front of this, so please excuse me if my performance isn't too great. There it is. You'll hear my clicky joystick as well. And it works. There's some interference on the screen, but I think that's just to do with my power supply. I need to, I've said repeatedly, I need to get my power supply repaired or replaced, just so there's a clean signal coming through, because there's a bit of wavy interference on the screen. But the audio is lovely and clean. On my other desktop 1200 it's a bit muddy now and again, and I think that's probably something to do with caps, so we'll have to get another one replaced as well, another one recapped. But yeah, this works lovely. Input from both mouse and joystick works. Left, right, up, down, fire. It's all good. Very happy with that. So why do we need to recap old machines? Well, when Commodore manufactured them, they bought the cheapest components on the market because they were a business. So they certainly didn't expect people to still be using them in 30 years' time. So we're getting to the point now where those capacitors are starting to break down and potentially leak the fluid that's contained within them onto the motherboard. If it does that, it can damage the traces, damage components, and destroy the machine itself. So it's pretty urgent that we get this done. I've got more machines that need doing. I've got more A1200s, including the one behind me and another desktop up here, an A600 and a CV32. So I'm very happy with the Amiga kit's work, and they're going to get some more motherboards from me. If you've got any questions about this or got any comments to add, just pop them below. And until next time, cheers!